purchases I did on Black Friday. Love what I got. I'm going to show you the L Studio stuff last, or just third. 1, 2, 3, because I'm most excited for this. I had gotten a hold during their Black Friday sale of all of their mystery offerings. So they had like a mystery bag, period, a mystery stamp kit, mystery like journal card kit, mystery label kit, mystery, all the things. And they were all obviously reasonably priced. So I put one of every thing of the mystery stuff into my cart, but I did put 2 of the mystery stamp bags, because they did say that if you bought 2, that they would definitely try to make them, that they would make them different, but that if you purchase 3, that you might get 1 duplicate. So I was like, you know what, let me just buy the 2, and that would be like, and let's just see what we get, because I do like their stamps. And as you notice, if you've been following me this last half of the year, I am growing my stamp collection because I have thoroughly enjoyed them, because they save on on the bulk that my projects get into, with the use of thickers and dimensional elements. That I just have become head over heels in love with stamping. Even though I'm still not perfect at it, I'm improving, and I just like the variety, because to me it's almost like having stickers that I can make pink one day for a project and then make it yellow the next day. All I have to do is buy ink. So that's why I went a little bananas at L Studio. So let me first though show you what I picked up at Live Love Posh and also Allie Edwards. So let me start here real quick. So at Allie Edwards had like a 20% off day or something, but then on like Cyber Monday or something like that, she had 40% off her whole site. That never happens, or at least it's never happened in the 6-7 years I've been buying product from her. So it was like for an hour on one evening, and don't get me wrong, I could have bought so much more, right? We all could. I mean, 40% off Allie Edwards, because it is on a pricier side. But I restrained myself, and all I purchased was 2 of the metallic inks, because I have bought the metallic inks so far from scrapbook.com, and I am not impressed with them. Like, they don't work, or maybe mine are old or need re-inkers. So actually, here's a comment. Leave me a comment below on who makes your favorite metallic inks. So I picked up the metallic silver and the metallic gold from Allie Edwards. I've seen her use them, and her projects come out great. She did offer a rose gold this season, but I just wanted to start, basic with just these 2 colors and see how it goes. So metallic ink. Who else should I try the inks from? Because I just picked up those 2. I picked up the timestamp, the roller timestamp. So I always see the different creators use this one, like in the Day of the Life project, when you're trying to do like, not to say like hour by hour, but you know what I mean? But I just like, because it's that rotary style of these stamps. And so this one is just the numbers, and it's set to do times for your storytelling. Then I do believe this set, or this font, was available for Week in the Life this year. It could have been last year. I'm not for sure. But, what's the name? Oh, no, it's One Little Word. Well, at least this one. This was One Little Word, not Week in the Life. And I believe this one was a One Little Word, because the fonts sort of match. And I just love the little whimsical elements to the letters. That it's nothing I have like in my collection yet for this. And then this size number stamp. Let me see what the number. These are like 1.5 inch ones. So that's perfect too. And they're solid, filled in. So these are the 2 stamps that I picked up. I also picked up a set of the 6x8 stamp sleeves. Again, my collection is growing. And for instance, like this one, and this packaging sometimes is such a royal pain in the butt to put it back all the time. Then it loses its stickiness and it never stays in. So I definitely need to start investing more often in these sleeves. This one has a set of 8. Now, don't get me wrong. I think I already have 8 to fill them with, so I will have to buy those again in the future. And then I got another 6x8 black canvas album. I have one already in my collection, but I just know that since I've been loving the Heidi Swap inserts, that size seems very manageable for me. So I just bought an extra album in case I already go through the one I have this year. I just want another one for backup. So those are the few things I got from Allie Edwards. Then you know how much I love the Happy Planner products. All the time I am interested in some of the releases, not everything. So I do have my share collection for the sticker books. So this is a young lady that was on the creative team, I think last year or 2 years ago. I could be wrong on my timeline, but I know she once was a squad girl member for the Happy Planner. She has now made her own company where she makes sticker books as well. They are a bit larger. Here, I'll grab one of my sticker books right here. They're a bit larger than Happy Planner ones, so you can see. And she had like, I think 30% off or maybe 25 her whole site. And don't get me wrong, with her site, she just offers sticker books and a few other things. They're not always in stock, so she's a small business owner, but I love her style. So I was so pumped to support her now and give it a try due to the fact that now there was a sale. Because normally each sticker book is $20, so $19.99. So I think obviously this would have been $60 plus the shipping, way too much. With the percent off, I think it made it like $13 a piece. And that was doable for me, like having a coupon. So I was willing to go. So these are great. What I love about it, if you've been here a while, you know that I am a floral girl. And these are all on clear paper, which I love, for the record, because they'll never have those, the paper edges. And these florals are beautiful. So I was like, I see people use them. Their layouts are great. And you know me and a good floral. So that was Posh Summer. Then Blooming Blooms. Very similar, but this one has some of like the planning boxes that girls love to use, so that these boxes would be coordinated with these flowers is how their layout, which is again great for a lot of the planner girls that do decorative planning for their weekly spreads. See, and then these will probably match the red and white. Yeah, for the red and pink for the flowers in the front. So I just love, again, these flowers, and maybe I'll do pretty planning for a few spreads just to kind of utilize these, unless I find a way in my storytelling to also use them. So that one's Blooming Blossom, which is great. Then this is Muted Blooms. Now, this is the only one I'm not in love with, only because they're paper stamps. And what I mean by that also is not paper stamps, paper stickers. So they do have the colorful boxes. So meaning when you take them off the sheet, there's something wrong with it. It just will have that border of it. So, you're always, my layouts for memory planning are always white. So it'll always have those, borders on it, which is neither here nor there. It's just a preference. I'm just saying that these are paper stamps. So be aware when you buy. So even like these, say you're doing a layout, these will all have the black border, which is fine. But if it was just, clear, it would, to me, be better to work with. But neither here nor there. I'm sure I'll still use them. I'm just letting you know, if you purchase from her, that Muted Blooms are paper stickers, and these two are the clear sticker paper, which I love more. Okay, and then for Elle Studio. So I also got, I got they had a mystery monthly kit, and I have been considering doing their monthly subscription of Project Life. I just love how colorful everything always is and works together, because sometimes I feel like in my Project Life, while I do have the unity of color because I use a lot of scrapbook paper, sometimes it is fabulous just to have a kit like this. So these are the die cuts. You punch those out, the 4x6s, and then the 3x4s. And this would be what the monthly kit usually looks like. So it's so cute. I love having the journaling cards. I love their simplicity in design. So this was the mystery kit set that I got. And does it say the month? Oh, it was November's kit. Okay. Then I had gotten the die cut. So I got February's die cut pack. Again, I was like, holy schmo. And then you got, oh no, it's all of them. So then you got just the die cuts from each collection. So that was November, May, March, October, and February. Like, love. And that way, if you take this page or this, you need labels, when you use them all, they kind of will all coordinate because they're from one collection. So I just thought this was like the best bang for my buck ever. I had purchased, this is like the mystery 3x4 card set. So it's just a collection of them. It doesn't seem to be kit specific. It might be. I'm not familiar all the time with Elle Studios, how they run their kits, but these are just the simplest, like, to me, greatest cards that I know I can definitely use. And I'm so excited that I have this. And then I got the mystery label pack. So these are all the labels I got. Yeah, so and they say the August, April, all on the top. So these I have to cut myself. But I will cut these up and have them ready to go. And then, let me see. I got the 4x6 mystery cards. So these are the ones that came. You know, like they're just, I like their design. They really, really do. Like, look at that. So I'm excited. And they're blank on the back. So great for storytelling. And some are filler cards, which are fine too. Like, and I think, honestly, my total purchase price may have been around $100. Not gonna lie. Okay. So then, though, the thing, oh no, and then, so here. So then this is still, let me show you these. Okay. So this was, okay. So I'm trying to like, what did I buy? Okay. These were the 2 stamp mystery sets. So let's see what I got. So automatically I'm like, oh my goodness, I can't wait to use. Yes, yes, yes. And I don't want repeats. So I got the You Got This stamp. So love these sentiments. I have in this mystery one, Fun with Borders. So that's really cute. And then Hugs and Kisses stamp. I love all these little tiny word phrases. So this looks like a little bit of a Valentine's Day one. Love those. Then the other stamp set I got, or stamp mystery bag, documented stamps. So this is great. You know, you got like the label and then you can put all these sentiments in there. Ooh, yes, love that. Actually, do I own this one? Oh no, it's different. I own this one. So yay, I got another like weekday stamp set, and then I got the holiday seal stamp. Cute. Oh, and this one's Christmas. Yo, see, this I open it up. I have to use this in a page. Okay, so those were the mystery bags. No, and then this was the other mystery bag. This is the one I already kind of peeked in because I was just like, what is all of this package? So this was, the seal. So this was their just mystery scrapbook bag. So I got week labels. So all of the weeks. Tag die cuts. You know, it's funny. This was in my cart to purchase separately. Oh, acetate months. I have these. I just didn't use them this year. So I got 2 sets now. Chipboard circle stickers. I love them. And their chipboard doesn't seem to be that thick. The Love You chipboard stickers. I love that they're all just black, white, and gray. Yay, look. Puffy rainbow stickers. This was in my cart too. I got it in the bag. Puffy alphas in a purple. Month label stickers. Ooh, in like 2 versions. Cute. Cardstock basic shapes. Love. Ooh, 2-sided. Yellow labels. Jane tile in like a mint. Acetate alphabet in a yellow. Treasure these stickers. They almost look like on clear paper. And then the typewriter alphabet sticker. They're white. Love that. Like, whoa. Whoa, baby. So then the things that I actually purchased were these ones. And then this, and this were gifts. They were add-ons in my box. And I had purchased this one already too. So that was the one I purchased. And then they gave me another one and said, surprise, this gift is just for you. And then I think if I had done the bundle of this new release, this was the Parker alphabet stamp. So it's really tiny. Not really tiny. Let me see what the size is. So they're like 3/4 of an inch. If I bought this bundle was the sale, you got this one for free. And this one's called For the Record. So this was a new release too. So these 3 were the new release for the month of November, or however they do their releases. I'm not quite sure. And then I had gotten the large acetate numbers. So this is definitely because I wanted to use for December daily. And I got the 2 sheets of like puffy hearts, puffy sticker hearts in the large. And then I'm impressed. And then, so I got these weekdays were for free. And then the other one I had purchased was this birthday kit, only because I have Miguel and Valentina's birthday stories to still write in my project life. And, you know, the set for this was like $2. And I was like, let me just throw those big, bold birthday cards in there. Yeah, and then that. So, love it. You guys, so excited. Like, if you've never purchased from the L Studio Black Friday event, I'm going to keep you posted next year because you need to take advantage of it. I'm so excited for what I got in that box. Okay, I'm all done. Again, in the comments, leave me below your favorite metallic ink because I definitely am in the market to try a few more. And I know I've been doing December daily. I'm about midway. Let me also know if you would like a just like flip through of my album so far. We are already past mid-month, so I can show you the first 14 days. So let me know if something like that would be interested, or are you just enjoying having a page come to you as I edit and upload them. Till next time, everyone. Bye.